Hello guys, this is Aarti Pawar from AD Sir's Easy English Speaking class from Telhara. So here I am for telling round on the newspaper. So I'm going to start about talking on it. So according to me, the newspaper is for what? What contains the newspaper? What requires in the newspaper? So according to me, the world knowledge has been acquired in the newspaper. It has contained a lot of information from our society, for our politics, for our in a celebrities news, of our political news. Every kind of news has been comes in the newspaper. Newspaper editors printed the every kind of news, every kind of information about it, every kind of knowledge about it to the newspaper. And for the students it has, and for the student, for such person who has like to read the newspaper, for the common people, for the industrial people, the newspaper helps a lot in their daily life, in their educational life, in their in their business life, in everything. From the newspaper you can capture the news for a long time. If you will see the news from the mobile, from TV, from the other things, from the radio, that would be for the particular time, that would be for that time span. But in the newspaper, that news has been printed on the pages, and that you can collect, that you can keep at you for a long time as you need it, and that you can take for you. It can be if you put that newspaper for your help, for your future, so that can be a very helpful for you. For me, it is the newspaper is everything, means for the knowledge, it is everything for the student, for the common people. If you want to get a knowledge of any other thing, if you want to know about this thing, that thing, and anything, so easy medium, the 100% correct news, easy medium to getting it. So that's according to me the newspaper. And as you can see that from a very cheap price, from the 4 rupees, 5 rupees, you can get easily the newspaper, which is very much useful for you. And you can keep that newspaper whenever you have need, and just keep it up as you have need and use it for that time. So I has to tell you, I have to tell you about the history of newspaper. Means how it is formed, how it is came in the formation. So the continent of Asia's and for India's first newspaper was Hickey's Bengal Gazette, which was formed on the 29th January 1780, and that's about the English newspaper. And the Marathi newspaper from our Maharashtra, which was formed, that was the Darpan, which was formed by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and which was formed on the day of 6 January 1832. So it's about its history, means how it is formed and all. Because of that, when the newspaper formed, the people has shown a very much interest towards reading it, because every kind of knowledge you can get very easily from it. You can keep at you can take it in your help, you can bring into action that knowledge in your daily life, in your daily routine. So these are the uses of newspaper. And if you won't read it, so I feel that you will be unaware of the knowledge, you will be unaware of the news, what happened about you, about our society, what happened in our society, in our politics, in our governance, in such fields, about which fields you must know. But besides reading it, if you have just neglected towards it, and if you don't like to read it, and because of that, I feel that you will be unaware of that, you will be unknowledgeable person at that time. And if you want to be a knowledgeable person, if you have to be that, then must read newspaper. And it keeps our mind healthy. It creates it keeps our mind healthy, as well as it creates the logical thinking in ourselves. If you will read this newspaper, if you will think on it, if you will think with the mind upon it as one as, so I feel that thing hints your mind, that helps you to think about it, and because of that your logical thinking expands, which is very much useful for the industrial people, for the students who wants to do something about that particular knowledge. So these are the uses of newspaper. Not only that, in the newspaper we can see the poetry, who likes to do poet. So for that, who likes to do poem and from any kind of poetry, of any kind of poetry. So for those students for those persons, for those interestable person, you can get the poets from the newspaper. You can get that kind of knowledge about it. You can learn how to do it, and you can also expand your knowledge because of it. So that's the I feel that's the it's very much useful, which newspaper provide you that kind of knowledge which is very much useful for your career, for your interest. Not only the poets, the puzzles, who like to solve puzzle, because of the puzzles our intellectual mind just boost up, just it helps you to understand the things, understand the situation very well. As the people face as like that, the puzzles helps the people, helps the student to understand it, to tackle the things very easily, which helps from that the puzzle to the students. So I feel it is very much important to our people that to read newspaper, to command on it, and because of reading newspaper, you can you can improve your communication skill, you can improve your dictionary of words, you can improve your talking tone by the reading of that kind of things, that kind of words from the newspaper, which is very much useful for you. From the from Bollywood news, from Hollywood news, from the from that particular field, you can get the knowledge with the help by the medium of newspaper. So I feel that every person, every student, every industrialist, every businessman should be abide by the knowledge of the newspaper, which is very much important for us in this modern era. If in this modern era, this youth needs something different, this youth needs something incredible. So for that particular knowledge, that particular knowledge about that particular thing, you must be known about it. So that is very much useful to read the newspaper, to be in contact with the newspaper. And it is from the newspaper, that kind of knowledge when you will get, when you will implement on yourself, when you do something innovations, when you do something search on it and bring into action that knowledge in it, so your work, your interest just develops, and that goes to the next level. So if you like that, then just read the newspaper, and one more thing also I want to say, that in the newspaper, our ancient peoples, our dadajis, our parents, our father, he used to read newspaper when? In the morning. So in the morning when you will read the newspaper, so that just keeps in your mind for a long time, that keeps in your mind for a long time, and it keeps in your memory, and it helps you to understand the things. So when you will read it at the morning, so it will keep close watch on in your mind, so it will help you to bring into action what things it is, for what it is useful. So you must understand, you must tackle with these things very easily. So these are the according to me, these are the benefits of the newspaper in our education. We can take for the competitive student, the Indian Express newspaper very much useful. So for them, that is also for those type of student, the newspaper helps a lot. What's happening around us, and about about general knowledge they must know, so they can get from those kind of knowledge. And the different languages newspaper are present in the market: Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, Sanskrit. Every kind of knowledge you can get by the reading that kind of particular newspaper, particular language newspaper. And by reading the English newspaper, you can know very well about the English language. You can get you can create the dictionary from the news, if you will underline those things, and if you will get that thing and bring into action, implement on your speaking. So from English newspaper also you can command on the English language, according to me. So these are the benefits of the English language, the English newspaper, which will help you to speak in English language. So these are the benefits, and the losses are that you will be unaware of reading it. You won't be that kind of person who must read the newspaper and who has that particular quality. So read newspaper. So it's my suggestion. Lastly, I'm going to give you that read newspaper and don't neglect towards it, and don't be addicted with other things than the newspaper. Be in contact with the newspaper. So I feel newspaper is all rounder for us. So it's all about it, what I have said. So if you like my video, so please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.